Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and we have the Nothing phone, and one big part of this phone is that you have LEDs on the back of your phone, and today I want to show you how you can activate these lights and how you can customize it. So for that you want to swipe up to go to your settings and then look for Glyph interface, and here you have Glyph lights. That's enabled right now. If you disable that, then the Glyph lights are disabled and incoming lights and notifications will be set to sound only. But we want the LED lights, right? So we enable that. And then you can change the brightness here, so how bright the LED lights will light up. So then we have ringtones, so you can customize and instantly recognize who's contacting you with fun light patterns. I actually don't have any contacts on the phone, but you can do that here and then add a contact and put a ringtone to this contact. We go back and go to notification sounds. So when you click on Oi, I think it means, then it will just beep on the bottom here. So if we click on it again, you'll be able to see that on the bottom here. You can choose different ones. So you have this bulb 1, bulb 2, so everything lights up. Let's see it again from the back. So you have 10 different options to choose from. If you don't want any light, then you can also say sound only, and then it will just make a sound. But we want the LED, right? So you just select the one you want and then go back. You can also add your own sounds. I don't have any, unfortunately. But if you have own sounds you want to use, you can add them there. Then you can go to the feedback part, charging meter. So that displays charging progression when phone is charging with the cable. Wiggle during charging to view. So if you're charging your phone and then wiggle it, then it will show how much your phone has charged in the last time here. You can disable that as well, just like everything else, and then go back. Google Assistant feedback. So with that, the display Glyph responds when Google Assistant is triggered by saying "Hey Google" or "Okay Google." Then this part here, so this part will light up. Then we have advanced features. So flip to Glyph, that's off. For quiet focus, put phone with the Glyph interface face up on a flat surface to trigger silent, lights only notifications and calls. The Glyph interface will pulse briefly when flip to Glyph is activated. So you can say you want to enable that. Okay, so now the silent mode is on. So it light up again, and that means, I guess, that the silent mode is on. So that's pretty cool. You can then go back. You can also say turn off automatically, bedtime schedule. Let's click on that. Schedule Glyph lights to turn off and set a time. So you can schedule the time frame you want the Glyph to work and when to be off. So you can set a start time and an end time, and then weekdays, or just one day, whatever you want. Bedtime schedule. So that's also pretty cool. Down here we have another note. The Glyph interface may not be safe for those with epilepsy and other conditions with sensitivity to light. That's a useful side note, I think, because that's something you normally don't think about. But yeah, so that is how you customize your Glyph interface and activate the LED lights on the back of the phone. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. I think it's pretty fancy, and when I would have a phone like this, I would probably use it and customize it as much as I could. So yeah, hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.